In this video, I'm going to show you how Cursor, Windsurf, and Cline compare as vibe coding tools. So to get started, Cursor is essentially VS Code but supercharged with AI. It allows you to chat directly with your code, generate full functions, refactor entire files, and explain complex logic. Cursor is developer first, perfect for coders who want full AI support without leaving their coding environment. Windsurf leans into code composition and team collaboration. Its real strength lies in project wide AI reasoning. It understands your entire code base contextually, which makes large scale refactoring and architectural changes much easier. Windsurf works well for larger teams managing evolving code bases. Cline, while newer, focuses on streamlined AI pair programming. It gives real time code suggestions, fixes, and documentation assistance, but with a strong emphasis on staying lightweight and distraction free. Cline feels like a highly intelligent autocomplete that stays out of your way until you need it. In short, Cursor is great for solo devs needing full AI immersion, Windsurf for managing complex projects, and Cline for lightweight, real time code enhancement. And that's how Cursor, Windsurf, and